tissues. Are they yours? Welcome back to Get English Fit. In lesson 12, we looked at possessive adjectives, but today we're going to compare possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Here is an example. Whose fork is this? We can respond, it's my fork. My is the possessive adjective, fork is the noun. But we can also respond, it's mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. You can see that the possessive pronoun takes the place of the possessive adjective and the noun. Whose car is that? It's her car. Possessive adjective, her. Car is the noun. However, we can say it's hers. Does this book belong to Tom? Yes, it's his book. His is the possessive adjective and book is the noun. But to avoid repeating book, we can say, yes, it's his. Now let's compare all the possessive adjectives and the possessive pronouns. And why don't you listen and repeat? My, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its. Now, its is the possessive adjective, but we don't usually use a possessive pronoun for the subject, it. Our, ours, your, yours, their, theirs. Well done. I have 2 tips for you. Number 1, remember that the possessive pronoun will go after the noun or in place of the noun. So in this example, that pen is mine. Pen is the noun and the possessive pronoun is after the noun. In the second example, it's mine. We use mine in place of the noun. Tip number 2, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns do not change when the noun is plural. Is that your house? House? One house? Yes, it's my house. It's mine. Are those your dogs? Dogs, plural. Yes, they're my dogs. They're mine. Now let's practice. But just before we do, please remember to like this lesson if you're finding it useful. Great, thank you. Now let's practice. Complete the sentences with the missing possessive pronoun. This is Pete's cat. This cat is. This cat is his. Is that Lucy's skateboard? Yes, it's. Yes, it's hers. Whose sweets are these? Oh, they're ours. Is that John and Sarah's balcony? Yes, it's theirs. are these? They're mine. This is a nice photograph frame. Is it yours? Missed my lesson on possessive adjectives? Don't worry, just click on the link and watch it now. Or else, seen it? Watch one of my other English lessons and I'll see you over there.